We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire, and we burning one hell of a something. They're gonna see us from outer space, light it up, like we're the stars of the human race. When the lights turn it down, they